A photo you took with no people, a photo of calm Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral Instagram add yours sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to my Instagram account. So you will have to click on your Instagram to the search icon from the bottom of the screen here. Then search for Ali and John. Once you are here, you will have to click to may add yours at highlight. If you go to my story, then you will have to know that that will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So like I said, go to may add yours here. After that, you just have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Click on the add yours button here. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you'll have to know that I already have a video that can help you. So first of all, I will do the story for the video, and afterwards I will show you a tutorial to help you solve your problem. Now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want to make it bigger or smaller. And after that, you will just have to share your story with your friends by clicking here. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT. And from here, you will have to go to super viral at highlights this time. Here. And here, the first story says not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. And it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have some questions you can comment down below and I will make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, have a great day, bye bye.